Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Webtech Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to automatically backup your computer folders and file to your Google Drive. Okay, so you have to use the Google Drive application to your computer. You have to first download your Google Drive application, then you can synchronize, or you can say backup your folders, computer folders to Google Drive. Okay, so guys, let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. It's free. Okay, so without time wasting, let's start with the video. Let's go on Google Drive. So guys, here I'm on my Google Drive. So in my, if the computer tab, where you can see your all computer folder which is synchronized, but I did not connect my account to the computer now, so it not show anything here. So the process is, just go to the come to the Google. Okay, just come to Google and tab here, download Google Drive for PC. Okay, and download, this is download link, you can see, just click on it. Then Google Drive website will be open. Just download for your PC, you can download for your mobile also, or your from App Store also. This is for mobile device, but if you want to download for PC, you have to click on it. It will be the one file will be download, then you have to install this file. After installation, come to the start button and type the drive and search the drive and just open it. After open it, okay, so okay, this is for drive, don't come there. Okay, find here, this is drive icon on bottom of your right side corner. You can see that this drive corner option, just click on it, or you see one drive. Okay, so click on this drive icon, that it will be look like this. Actually, I already logged in with my account, so it's look like this, but you can see that they asking the login your account or connect your account. So you need to click on settings and go to the preference. Then this window will be open, Google Drive preference. Okay, just open it. Now you can see I have already add my two folder here, and this is for computer. This is folder from your computer which synchronize from your computer to Google Drive, and this is for your Google Drive folder synchronized to your computer. Okay, so I am going to show you how you can add your computer folder. Now you have to log in with this account. This is my account. You can add from here your Google account. After add, go to the add folder, and you can just click on add and just select the folder which you want to synchronize, and select the folder. Then it will be select here, and it will be automatic synchronized when you make any changes, or if you make any, if you add anything in this folder, it will be automatically synchronized in this Google account. Okay, and all synchronized folder you will find here. Okay, in computer tab. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.